How's it going? Oh, is the window not rolled down all the way, or what's up? No? Okay. Well, I'm Sergeant Daniels. That's Officer Lane. The reason he stopped is your plate light. It's not illuminating your plate. Like, it's on, but it's not really.
It is on.
It is. No, I didn't say it was off.
Illuminating my plate.
So in the way the law is written, it's got to be able to be readable or read from 50 feet.
It is readable.
So, not from 50 feet. That's why the officer shut his headlights off to look at your plate to see if he was able to read it. Okay, which is not a big deal, man. He's not going to write you a ticket for it or anything. I'm sorry?
No, because I know it's lit up good.
I just said it's lit, but it's not illuminating your plate. It might be dirty or something. It could be a simple thing as like that, but it's not.
You want me to wipe it off and see?
That's not what I'm asking right now. I'm explaining to you why we stopped you.
Well, that's bull.
Okay, well, that's the way the law is written, man, and that's what we do.
Downright bull.
Okay. You got your license and proof of insurance on the vehicle?
What's that?
You have your license and proof of insurance on the vehicle?
Yeah, I do. But this here is not a legal stop.
It is a legal stop. Now's not the time to argue about it. You can take it to court.
Now, why don't you tell me the real reason why you...
That is why we stopped you.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Because I've seen you guys go by.
Yep. All right, man. Driver's license and proof of insurance.
Waiting on some dumbass. And you guys sat right up there at the top of the hill, waiting for me to leave.
Yep.
I know exactly why.
Yeah.
So, now...
That torch right there in your center console probably hints at it, too.
No, it's not.
License and proof of insurance, please. I'm not going to continue to ask you.
God damn. If I can get this damn thing to load.
That's fine. Could I have your license first, and then I can get back started on your paperwork to get you out of here quicker?
There's my license.
Right.
I'm supposed to show you my license.
Okay, man.
What am I supposed to do, man?
Alright, well, I guess I can't run you then. I don't know. I can't read that. Your window is dirty.
I know it. I was going to go through my truck and clean it.
If you can hand it to me, can I run you real quick and then give it back to you? Thank you. 218, I have a 27 for the driver when you're ready. Could I see the date? I don't see a date. Go up. Expired 23. That's expired February this year. Or last year. I'll be back. Just when you get it, stick your hand out the window.
I'll get you the other.
That's fine. Keep your hands on the dash. He's going to run the dog around the car. I'll be back with the paperwork.
I can run the dog around my car.
Because we can.
No, you can't.
Actually, I can. Check it. Here. Check it.
I got one job. What I got. Don't.
Check it.
I don't know.
Boy. Here. Check it. Check it.
Better not scratch the stuff.
You got it on the driver's side.
Yeah, because he made his dog jump on my... No, he didn't. He made his dog jump on my... I'm not doing this. No, he jumped...
We can do this the easy way or the hard way, man.
I'm the one that...
This is what we're going to explain. I'm only going to explain this once to you. The officer said the canine indicated on the vehicle. I don't want to hear you right now.
Right.
You can either step out of the vehicle or we're going to pull you out of the vehicle.
No, it's true.
So you can either step out of the vehicle or we will pull you out of the vehicle.
This is bull. I'm telling you.
Out of the vehicle. This is not a matter of question.
Because supposedly my license plate light is not bright enough, which...
What's his name?
The other officer decided to fucking pull me over, which is a bull stop.
Okay, Jeffrey, I'm only going to say it one more time. Get out of the vehicle.
It's a bull.
Okay, you can have your opinion on that all you want. You can take it up in court if you have an issue with it. But the canine indicated on the vehicle, you are to step out of the vehicle. I've given you an order to exit the vehicle.
Your body cam on?
Yes, it's on. All of ours are on. All the cameras are on.
I got to get off here and record this.
Okay, that's perfectly fine. But I'm telling you to get out of the vehicle.
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
Get out of the vehicle.
Hold on a second.
There's no hold on. Get out of the vehicle.
God damn, dude. Right here by the
Let's go.
He likes doors to get up there.
Exit the vehicle.
Let's try this.
God.
All right.
You ain't gonna swing my door open. I have nothing.
All right, stop reaching. Walk
See?
back here.
God damn, man.
And quit acting like a fool.
Shit. Big. Bull.
Stay right here.
There's my phone.
All right, stop reaching in your pocket to me.
I'm not reaching in my pocket. Really, I'm not.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I did.
You must be too.
Yeah.
Spread your feet for me. This is gonna get real gay.
Well, that's fine.
All right, you want to take your hat off for me?
Oh, sorry. Sorry. It's my cover, the
Yep, that's fine.
cardboard piece. That's all.
Do you have anything in your hood?
Nope.
Okay. Nothing in your mouth, right? All right, man. Just go ahead and sit there and relax. I'm just gonna leave this up here, okay? And grab that before you leave. You want to search? You want to hang out here? Yeah. All right, I'll hang out with you.
I swear to God, that mother left anything.
Who was it?
You know exactly who it was.
No, I really don't.
Nate.
Nate.
There's a lot of Nates that we know.
Well, this one here, you probably know him real well. 'Cause
Nate,
he's been in a lot of fucking trouble.
Yeah.
If
I
it
think-
wasn't for my buddy asking me to come over and give us a ride, I wouldn't have done it.
Okay, and just because the dog hit on your vehicle does not mean there's something in there now. It just means he could have had something on him when he was in your vehicle.
Because I know I stopped at Casey's and got my soda, and I left him sitting in the truck. So,
Well, most people aren't going to leave their drugs if they do have it, so.
yeah, but he's seen you guys cruising around, I guess. Because he told me, he's like, man, hurry up and get me over here. I was like, look, dude, you gotta hurry up, man. I said, I got kids at home. I gotta get home. And he's like, wanting to argue with me. So we go to one place.
Yeah.
And then he's like, no, I can't stay here.
With a hit from the K9 on the truck, officers begin their search, and it comes as no surprise what turns up, especially since Jeffrey already had his excuses lined up before they even opened the door.
Oh, I'm cold. He was not a fan of me, or us. Well, that's why. Oh, let me transition over to the latex gloves here. I'll turn home.
Testers.
Oh, yeah.
Just in case.
Yeah, you know, I'm gonna test it. See what else I find, if anything. Well, that's about as blue as it'll ever get. We can go ahead and 95 in too.
You got something?
Pipes and needles so far. Or if you want to send Goober up here, I don't know if he's.
Did you send him up or do you want to know?
Go ahead and just 95 him. He's been not super friendly.
Yeah, we got a lot of traffic leaving that house recently, so it's
Still, that's no
not
reason to
necessarily
pull me
you,
over. That's
but
not a reason to pull me over.
no, but it's
It's not a reason at all.
that's not why we stopped
Yeah,
you
it
though.
is.
No,
You are.
that's why
admitting
we
that.
showed interest in you. Yes.
That's exactly why you said you stopped me.
Oh yeah, no, that's why we were sitting there, because that isn't
Because you was waiting for me to leave.
not necessarily
Yeah,
you,
because
just
I
a
sat
vehicle
there
that
in
was
my
there.
truck And said that, and you said, yeah.
I get what you're saying, man. I think we're saying the same thing. The reason that I can't conduct traffic on you for that reason. The reason I did the traffic stop is,
You came up with some bullshit
like I said,
reason.
it's on the camera. That's why we turn our lights off. It's got to be 50 feet. You have to be able to read the license
Well, I
plate.
bet you if I didn't have my plug in, you probably could have.
And I'm not gonna lie to you. We drove by, saw a vehicle parked there.
Alright, man, Dave found some stuff in your car. Turn around, place your hands behind your back.
Motherfucker.
You'll be place under arrest right now.
For what?
For the stuff that they found in your car. Turn around,
What
place
was
your
found?
Put your hands behind your back. They'll explain it all to you. Relax. Explain everything.
Put your hands behind your back,
Can
man.
you guys stop for a second? Just one
Okay.
second.
Just put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, relax then and put your hands behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back or you're gonna get tased.
Where to go?
Put your hand behind your back or you're gonna get tased.
I am.
Put your hand behind your back. Right? Stop resisting.
Put your hand behind your back. Stop.
I'll go to the ground. It'd be easier.
You keep resisting, you're gonna get trying to get.
Can I just stand up? You're supposed to play for right now.
Watch your legs. Watch your tail. Watch his kick. He already tried kicking it out. That's why I'm trying to push it. Watch his legs. You got it?
Alright, they're fine. Fuck. Oh my god, dude. No, I did not. I said all I asked was for a quick second.
Don't look at me. It's over now.
That's all.
It's over now. Let's be friends.
Ben. God damn it. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill that mother. Thanks, guys. Mother. Could you please loosen this cuff up? Please. That's all I'm asking is please.
Man, I'm going to tell you what. If you even act like you're going to fight with us,
I'm
you're
not
going to
gonna
get sprayed
fight
and you're
with
going to
you
get
at all.
tased. Do you understand
I'm
that?
not gonna fight with
We're
you.
not messing with you. We'll loosen it up for you.
I'll
you
sit
even
right
act
here.
like it.
I'll sit right here, chilled. All right.
All right. Is this one on this side?
Yes, it's cutting into me.
Yeah.
Holy.
You got to put them on like that sometimes, you know?
Fight one of my
I'm not
officers, I will
doing
tase you.
nothing.
Do you understand me?
I'm not doing a
You already
fucking.
kicked me once.
No, I
you do it to
did
one of my
not.
officers, I will tase you. Do you understand me?
Yes, I'm sitting here. Can't you see that? I'm sitting here, letting him do his thing, not doing nothing wrong.
Is that better?
Yes. Thank you very much.
Sorry.
Oh,
Just
sorry.
went tight again. Is that better though?
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Okay.
Thank you.
Things suck to wear, but just try to...
We're going to
Yeah,
get you up there in a minute.
All right. Thank
There's a
you.
lot we
It's
can
a little
talk
more
about.
comfortable.
For me. Just go ahead and take a step back this way so you can shut the door. I'll grab your hat. Yeah, I'll grab it.
Hey,
Just go ahead and head that way.
All right. Like I said, I just wanted a moment with you, at least you, without him.
What?
Without him.
Grab his hat.
Yeah.
Hat and chain. And I'll stand right here up against this wall,
What's up?
innocent as can be.
Okay.
Okay. Now, when you guys did pull me over, and I got out of my truck, I figured out why he took off.
Okay.
If you grab my wallet, when I grab my wallet, there's a bag laying there with it,
Mm-hmm.
underneath it. Because I have my little wallet laying right there on the center counter. That's where it's laying at. So
Where's the bag at?
It's right here with my wallet.
In the front? Okay.
Yes.
We'll get it in there, man. Right.
That's Class X felony.
No. Not here. No. Like I said, that's not a different charge when you come into here. That's if you go to jail. This is not jail.
Right. That's why.
This is just a holding.
This is why.
Yeah, you're not going to get any additional charges just because we're walking in here, okay?
I just wanted you to know that.
Okay. Nope, we appreciate the honesty. He's got a baggie in his
Right here. In my
pocket.
wallet. Is your wallet? Right here. Right here. Didn't want to grab my wallet. That fucking bag is there. That's why he took off
Okay.
across the yard.